and today we are going to play rifles. Oh yeah, so if the sound is not working, I will try to sing it out loud. Da 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 da. Okay, now we are going to tag team. Yep. Da 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 da. Okay, I try my best to sing out loud. Okay. Da 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 top team construction castles yeah, something construction. What? Oh, 3v1. That's subconsciously normal. Rapid RPG is daggers, knife, and usually I hit my kid, but freeze for time. Okay, I'm up next, bro. Can you stop moving? Okay, bro, pick the bow for some kind of reason. Why do you smoke yourself? Bruh. Can you stop running, please? But what's my teammate that trash? Okay. Kill him. Kill him with that knife. The. Bruh. Da da. Freeze, bro. Da 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 da. Okay, why am I first? I don't wanna be first, bro. Please let me freeze you, bro. Okay. One, one, one. Bang. Okay, next time. Okay. I think I just got sniped, by the way. Oh yeah, sorry if my cough is too loud. Oh yeah, sorry if my mom was is speaking to me. Okay. Win, my teammates! Win! Win! Life, bro, bruh! Okay, do not use the Warhorn. Use. Okay. Get good or get bad. Okay. Let's play again. Okay. Pa 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 pa. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, construction it is. Oh wait, actually, I think castle would be this. Yeah, we got castles. But someone already disconnected. Yeah, it's my turn now. RPG daggers, a knife, and freezer. It's time to shine, mates. Okay. Okay, where's my filthy little teammate? Bruh, why they both knife me like that? That was not nice. I have a 185 level here. Oh, oh yeah, and both obviously pay to win because both up the cats make it. Just broke grounded for a long time to get the passes, the free. Can you aim properly? You're already on mobile, bro. You have aim assist. Aim, bro. Can you just aim, bro? Kill him. Don't see him. Okay. Kill, brother. Kill Mr. 71. Oh, hell no, but why? Bro, using RPG. Okay. If you easily equip stuff, then use it, bro. Okay, boss is on that. Yeah. That's how. Wait, get safe. Aim at bro. Luckily, boss aim is literally trash as hell, bro. Yeah, bro. Until disconnected. It's easy, bro. Wait. I going. Oh, okay. That guy is going. Bruh. RPG, bro. RPG, bro. I picked on the one emote, bro. Why? Yeah, give me more eliminations. Okay. Either bro is hiding. Oh yeah, bro is not hiding, bro. That's literally obvious spot. No, I cannot beat this. No, should I literally equip make it? Okay, I need a free spell. How did bro kill me, ah? Oh. I should pick chainsaw. That's a pick chainsaw, yeah. Bro, you're going to let a 71 guy kill you, bro? Okay, that's better now. Uh, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my lonely channel. Bye.